Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the bee from Minecraft. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the bottom and let's draw a large square for the front of the face. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 lines in from the sides, leaving a gap in the center. Then from the end, let's bring it down. And then bring it back out at the bottom. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a line down from the top. And then bring it over towards the inside. Now to finish off the right eye, let's draw an angle up from the top and the bottom on the right here. And then close it off with a line down. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the antenna. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a line down. Then from the top, let's angle it down. And the same thing at the bottom. And then close it off. Now we're going to do the same thing on top of the right eye towards the center here. Now from the top left corner, let's draw a line up on top of each one. And then angle it down and over from the top and bottom. And then close off the right one at the end. Now on the left antenna, let's draw a line across. Then hop down and let's bring a line down and over. Then for the right one, we're going to draw a square shape on the right next to it like this. And that's it for the antenna. Now let's move to the right and let's continue drawing the shape of the body. From the top right corner, let's draw an angle up and out on the right side. And the same thing from the bottom corner. And then close it off with a vertical line. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the first wing. Let's start with a small angle up. And then bring it up and over to the right side. And then let's draw another angle underneath. And now let's close it off at the end. Lastly, for this wing, let's hop in and let's draw another angle near the bottom. And that's it for the first wing. Now let's draw the top of the body. Let's start on the top left corner and let's draw another angle up. Then let's bring it over to the right side and continue it on the other side of the wing. Now on top, let's draw the other wing. Let's start inside and let's draw 2 angles down and a line across. And let's draw a line inside. Now to continue drawing the wing, let's draw 2 angles up. And then a line across at the top. And let's add a line inside. Now top over to the right and let's draw a square. and then another smaller square on the top corner. Next, from the inside corners, let's draw 2 lines in, leaving a gap in the center. Then let's draw 2 lines up, then a longer line across, and angle both of the sides down. And then close it off with a line at the top. Now from the top right corner, let's draw an angle out. Then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down on the right side. And close it off at the bottom. And lastly on top, let's draw 2 more small lines up and close it off at the top. And that's it for the wings. Next, let's add the stripes on the body. Let's start inside on the right and let's draw 2 lines down. Then let's hop over and let's draw 2 more. And hop over again and 1 more down. Now let's continue these stripes on top. From the top of each of these lines, let's draw a line across on the top section. And that's it for the body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the head on the right and let's draw an angle down. And then another one next to it. Now let's close it off with a line across. Now top to the right and let's draw a shorter angle down and angle it down to the bottom. Now let's draw another leg on the right in the same way. And then let's hop to the right and let's draw 2 more. Next, let's draw the set of legs behind. In between the front 2, let's draw a small angle and angle it up from the bottom. Now let's hop over and let's draw a line down and angle it over. And then another one next to it here. And that's it for this Minecraft bee. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!